Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to get access to TikTok Live. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this TikTok website where I found a guide that explained everything about going live. TikTok Live is the place to be for real-time fun, expression and creativity on live. You can find unexpected connections and endless possibilities to create. It's the place to be for all creators because it's the place to be you. Just like with the regular short form TikTok videos, you have access to filters, effects, and camera controls. But unlike the former, there are no limits on your recording time when you go live. But if we detect that a host is inactive for a long period of time in the live room and failure to complete our verification, we will close the live room. Now we know you are making top notch content, but sometimes lives don't always have consistent views or engagement. But don't worry, fluctuations are normal, and you need to go live regularly to build a loyal audience. Be sure to check your local laws for any licensing requirements when you go live. How to get started. To go live on TikTok, tap the create icon to access the live screen. Swipe to live in navigation, pick an image and write a title for your stream. Once you're ready, press go live to start your stream. Once you're live, you can tap the three dots to change a variety of settings. You can flip the camera, add effects, filter comments, and even add moderators, up to 20. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.